Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and I'm going to show you how to make a Gorgonzola crusted steak going with a loaded baked potato, an amazing dessert pairing with an excellent wine. Let's first make that crust. I've got some Heinen's Gorgonzola crumbles in a bowl. We're next going to add in some panko breadcrumbs, followed up with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Then I'm going to add in a finely minced garlic clove, and then just using that spoon, mix all of those ingredients together until they are combined. Then we're going to briefly set it to the side. Now I'm going to pull out those beautiful Coulotte steaks that we got when shopping at Heinen's. I'm going to generously season them on both sides with some salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Then in a cast iron skillet, we're going to add in some olive oil. Once it begins to lightly smoke, we're going to add in our seasoned steaks, and we only want to cook them for 3 to 3.5 minutes. Once they get that beautiful golden brown, also known as the Maillard reaction, we're going to give them a really quick flip and then only cook them for 30 seconds. At this stage, we're going to come back and add on our Gorgonzola panko crust. We're going under the broiler for 2.5 to 3 minutes or until they get nice and golden brown just like this. I'm going to finish these off with a little chopped fresh chives, and hey, what steak without potatoes? So what I'm going to do in a medium-sized bowl is add in some extra virgin olive oil. We're going to next add in some coarse salt, then add in some baked potatoes and completely coat them in that mixture, placing it on a sheet tray lined with parchment paper, going in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Once they come out, they'll have this beautiful crust on the outside, and then loading them up by slicing in the middle, pushing up all that goodness, and of course adding in that unsalted butter that we got from the store, some sour cream, and then what I like to do is finish with a little bit more chopped fresh chives. And this steak and potato dish is going to go excellent paired up with the Delaire Graf Botmas Cop Cabernet blend. So good. But let's not forget about dessert. I've got that beautiful fruit tart that we picked up. What I'd like to do is hit it with a little bit of powdered sugar just to make it look absolutely stunning. And we're going to next pair this one up with that Beauchandal Rosé. Absolutely perfect meal for your friends and family.